Hi, hello! Welcome back! For today's video, cooking mini vlog tayo. Let's cook chicken cordon bleu with a sauce. And here's the ingredients. Half kilo chicken breast, ham and cheese, paprika, pepper, and salt. In a small bowl, bring these three all together. Ito lang yung seasoning natin at iraram natin ito mamaya sa chicken. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala talaga akong measurement dahil nakadepende sa dami ng lulutuin. Next, in-slice ko lang yung chicken. And then, we're gonna use plastic wrap, mallet, or rolling pin. Ilagay naman natin ngayon ang chicken. Tapos, irub na natin dito yung mixture na ginawa natin kanina. I-pound ang chicken according to your preference. At kapag na-achieve mo na yung tamang lapad na gusto mo, top each pieces of chicken with a sliced ham and cheese. Next naman is evenly roll the chicken and tightly wrap with that existing plastic. So yan, nakagawa pala ako ng 6 pieces dun sa 500 grams na ginamit nating chicken. Sunod naman, i-chill muna natin at least 30 minutes bago natin ito i-breading at i-fry. Para naman sa breading, meron tayong egg, flour, and breadcrumbs. First, dip chicken in a flour. Next, dip it again in egg and then into breadcrumbs. For the sauce naman, gumawa lang ako ng parang mornay sauce. Inapan, naglagay lang ako ng konting oil para hindi masunog ang butter. Pag nagmelt ng butter, lagay na natin ang 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 cup ng water, 1 cup din ng milk, black pepper, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then I just add the cheese, melted cheese, and a few slices of mozzarella. Naglagay na rin ako ng dried parsley since meron din naman ako dito. At lastly, itong garlic powder. And now ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and share.